Good afternoon. This is Maria Clardy-Davis, owner and managing attorney of ML Clardy Law LLC, a mental health service legal firm located in Georgia. And this is another video related to my law series focused on individuals and families and coping with mental health challenges, understanding mental health and legal perspectives. So this video is the one big question that I ask all individuals who are looking to hire me for psychiatric treatment representation. I wanted to do this video because this question alone really answers 90% of everything else that's going on kind of in the conversation and in the story, because everyone always has a story and a journey. And I think that this question helps to set expectations, but also to set the lens in which the rest of the story and the journey can be carried out. And that one question is, what is your goal? Specifically, if I were to wave a wand and you were to get the result that you were looking for, what would that result be? And you may be asking yourself, well, why are you asking that question? Well, that question is often the key question because it answers three things. The first thing it answers is, it answers immediately whether I can help you or not. So if the answer is, I need you to help me bail my son out of jail because he was diagnosed with X, Y, Z, and that caused criminal complication, right there, I don't do mental health criminal. So I have colleagues who do that service and I will gladly refer them out. Also, if it is not related to something that is a legal or advocacy solution, I will then immediately know, and then I can either manage expectations or again, refer you and connect you to the appropriate resource. The second thing is I can better understand your expectations. So the answer to this question often shows me either how small or how broad the expectations of what they think an attorney can and cannot do for their loved one. And oftentimes I find that the reality of what can be done is often different than what the initial assumptions or expectations are. And three, and this is a little more for subtext, but it helps me to understand the underlying fear of the individual if those results are not achieved. So a perfect example is like my daughter is currently in a treatment facility and she is not taking her medicine. Or actually, let's use a better one. She's in a treatment facility and they're thinking about holding her there longer. And I really don't know why. And she doesn't want to be there. And so if I ask the goal is to get her out tomorrow because we have a wedding, or to get her out tomorrow, or to get her out this weekend. It really helps me to understand, number one, that the opposite, the flip side of that goal, which is getting her out and removing her so that she doesn't have to do the hearing, there is this underlying expectation of speed. And understanding that helps me to then set expectations. This fear of, the longer that this person is there, that the more anxious this person becomes, because the solution is to, whatever the solution is to do it quickly and expeditiously. So I think that this one key question answers so many other questions. Now, I don't only ask one question, but I think that it is a really important question. And in one of my earlier videos, I even feel like it's an important question that even if you're not working with me and you're working with another attorney or advocate, that the attorney should ask you, or that you should make sure that you communicate with the attorney. Because what I often find is the expectation is often hidden masks, miscommunicated when there is not a clear understanding on both sides of the goal. So thank you so much for tuning in with me today on this series, and I look forward to speaking with you on my next video. Thank you.